Sexual orientation and gender identity will now be able to be discussed freely in Florida classrooms. Civil rights attorneys challenged the parental rights and education law, which banned instruction on those topics in early grades, because they say it created confusion about whether teachers could identify as LGBTQ+ or even have rainbow stickers and flags in classrooms. A settlement in that case means now the Florida Board of Education will send instructions to every school district with clarification, including saying the law does not ban the discussion of LGBTQ+ people.
We weren't really expecting it, so it's hard to gauge what the community reactions are so far. But I know that inside our walls, there's a lot of relief. There's a lot of hope for the future.
Michael Reardon is the director of media and communications for Compass LGBTQ+ Community Center in Lake Worth Beach. She says the settlement is crucial to ensuring LGBTQ+ youth have a safe space in schools.
It's not just kids who identify as LGBTQ themselves. It's kids who have LGBTQ parents or friends or brothers or sisters. They were worried and concerned, and rightfully so, what this law would do. And now they don't have to worry as much. They can be themselves, they can be seen, they can be part of the community.
Governor Ron DeSantis' office is also calling it a, quote, major win with the law remaining intact. WPBF 25 News also reached out to Moms for Liberty's Indian River County chapter, which supports the parental rights and education law. Chairman Jennifer Pippin sent us a statement saying, quote, the settlement doesn't have anything in it that the law didn't cover. They lost their lawsuit. They lost their appeal. And claiming this as a victory to have the image that it was a win for them is laughable. If they read the law and followed the law, they would have saved much time and money. And I also reached out to our local school districts regarding this settlement. Okeechobee County Schools sent a statement saying in part that the district will stay with the same approach of teaching within the approved and adopted curriculum. Palm Beach County Schools said it will continue to maintain a safe and welcoming learning environment for students while following the State Department of Education's direction regarding the parental rights and education law. Reporting live tonight in Palm Beach County, Jade Jarvis, WPBF 25 News.